My Jesus, I love thee. I know thou art mine. Thee all the pleasures of sin I resign. My gracious Redeemer, my Savior, art thou. If ever I love thee, my Jesus is now. Good morning. Today I'll be continuing with our series on bread to the eater and seed to the sower. And today we want to remember this verse, which says that God is able to do exceedingly abundantly above what we ask or think. That means that even our thoughts, our prayers to God, our thoughts, what we see in our mind is what we get. We even get more than what we see in our minds. And so we want to today come back and discuss skills that we have that we can use to the glory of God. Moses cried to God and he says, what should I do, while he was in front of the Red Sea? And God said, what is it you have in your hand? And he said, a rod. And God said, stretch it over the waters. And when he stretched it, the water divided into two, and they were able to walk on dry land. So today, we want to look at what we have in our hands. What skill do you have? What do you have that you can use to the glory of God? We want to talk about entrepreneurship and want to see what skill you have that you can develop as an entrepreneur. So catch me later in the afternoon when I come back, and let's talk about that. Have a good day. God bless you. Cheers. Hallelujah from heaven.